Hello world. Have you been told that you cannot modify a program once it has been compiled? Let's prove the opposite. I have a Windows desktop here. I open a terminal. Here I have a directory with hello in it. This is hello.c, just a normal C program that has a main routine which does nothing else but output hello world to the console. Let's quickly compile this. Compiling means you translate the C code into machine language and make it executable. Under Windows, these files are called EXE, therefore. Let's execute our EXE, and we do this by just calling hello.exe like this. And it does what it is supposed to do. It greets the world. Now, let's have a look at hello.exe. Notepad hello.exe does not really work. However, we can use a hex editor. Let's use hxd hello.exe, and here we see it, the machine code, the machine language that we see here. Every byte we see, it is listed byte by byte. On the right side, you see the characters depicted as characters. On the left side, you see them as hexadecimal notation, going from 00 to FF. FF being 255, 00 being 0. So let's search for hello world inside this file. Okay, here it is. So let's replace hello world by hello moon. And then we here still have this D represented as code 64 or 64 hexadecimal. Let's replace this by 00, save it, exit, and execute this new hello.exe. And it greets the moon. But this is not everything. You can go much deeper. You can, for example, change all this machine code and create a different program flow, make the program do something else, or react differently on conditions. And that is exactly what I want to show you in the next video. Stay tuned.